one thing I like about this signing also is that, guys, yes, the transfer window hasn't opened. We signed him. He's going to play the FIFA club competition. We shall see. If he can do it, yes, it won't be good or it won't be fair to just use that some few games to judge him. But we can see some glances or like we can see some signs to know that, okay, Delap can fit into Enzo Maresca's system. It's not about Delap being good. Nkunku is better than Delap, but he doesn't fit into Enzo Maresca's system. That is another issue. So I'm very, very happy and I like it that way. Chelsea did the signing now. Yes, so that we have a tough competition to play. We have a competitive tournament to play. He is going to play. We shall see. If Delap will be okay for us, we shall see. If Chelsea should still go back to the market and sign a striker, we shall see again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea completed the signing of Liam Delap. Yes. Now, within the 48 hours, he will do his medical. Chelsea activated his 30 million release clause. Welcome to Chelsea Football Club, Liam Delap. Now, you are a blue. Now, you are one of us. Now, your blood is blue. Guys, Liam Delap is now one of us. Liam Delap is now Chelsea player. Chelsea completed the signing. Yes, some of us, that wasn't the signing that we wanted. Yes, to be honest, that wasn't the signing that we wanted. But since Chelsea signed him, guys, we are supporting Chelsea. He is coming to our club. Let's support him. Let's support him. And for me, I'm going to support Delap because of these few things. Yes, first of all, as I said, he is now a Chelsea player. He is now one of us. And also, he is a young player. And young players, they grew. Chelsea signed Cole Palmer as a young player. Now look at him. Chelsea signed Caicedo, Cucurella as young players. Now look at them. They are giving us, yes, the good performance. Cole Palmer giving us the goals, the assists, the marvelous, fantastic. So now, guys, see, he is our player, whether we like it or not. He is now one of us, as I said. If we are not going to support him, then, or if we are not ready to support him to succeed, then we don't want Chelsea to succeed. Yes, it means that for me, as you have been watching me, or if you are new here, for me, I believe, or my decision was that Chelsea to go and sign Osimhen, Isak, and Victor Gyökeres. But unfortunately, Chelsea saw that, okay, Liam Delap is in the market. He's a striker. Even Maresca is a fan of Liam Delap. I'm telling you, they want to see Liam Delap to be a perfect signing. Let's hope he come and perform. He come and prove it. Yes, as I said, Cole Palmer and Co. Yes, they all joined Chelsea. One, we didn't think they would perform that as much they are doing now. But now look at them. They are giving us that fantastic performance. Look at Caicedo this season. Caicedo, when Chelsea was signing, who saw it coming? Yes, even opposition fans was saying that Chelsea overpay what and what. But now look at Caicedo. So guys, 30 million is not even a bad fee. Yes, if it were to be like something like 80 million, 100 million, and he is young, inexperienced as this, there will be worry. Even if he come and things didn't work, 30 million, the same amount of money Chelsea pay for Jackson, 36, 35, 30 million. It's a release clause. So guys, Chelsea completed the signing of Liam Delap. Yes, and as I said, let's support him to succeed. We never see Cole Palmer coming. We never see Caicedo coming. We never see Cucurella coming. And some of these our young players this season, they perform well. Yes, guys. Yes, even I explained about Chelsea signing him. I have a video for that. I just uploaded it. Immediately I uploaded that video. A message came that Chelsea completed the signing. Yes, the time Chelsea was still negotiating, I have a video for that. That video is here. Please click to enjoy it. Yes, but immediately I uploaded it. That is the difficult part of this work. Yes, if you are not quick or you can be doing certain things, you will be arranging yourself. Yes, shooting video here and there about a certain transfer. Boom, another new transfer will come and make that certain transfer an old one. But this video, I explain a lot of things there about Chelsea bringing in, yes, Liam Delap. I will support him. And yes, Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres signing. There are possibilities of Chelsea still signing them. Please, that video is here. Click to enjoy them. Yes, guys, let's come to another information about this. Yes, Chelsea signing a striker. Information said that Chelsea is going to sign 2 strikers. But for now, Chelsea want to sign a striker to help us play the FIFA club competition, to bring a competition to Nicola Jackson. So that is why Chelsea did everything and signed Liam Delap. Chelsea were to sign Ekitike, but they said 80 to 100 million. And that fee is too much. It's too much. So Chelsea said no. Then Chelsea came back to Liam Delap. And luckily, Delap also agreed, personal terms, everything. Ipswich Town and Chelsea now agree on the payment terms. Yes. And I heard Man City have a sell-on clause. City will get 30 million on that fee, and that is Ipswich Town and City. But for now, Chelsea, we landed Liam Delap, and he's going to help Chelsea play in the FIFA club competition. Even FIFA opened an exclusive transfer window for teams that are going to participate in the FIFA club competition: England, City, and Chelsea. So from 1st June, yes, to 10th June, these two teams can sign players and they can join Chelsea and participate in the FIFA club competition. And one thing I like about this signing also is that, guys, yes, the transfer window hasn't opened. We signed him. He's going to play the FIFA club competition. We shall see. If he can do it, yes, it won't be good or it won't be fair to just use that some few games to judge him. But we can see some glances, or like we can see some signs to know that, okay, Delap can fit into Enzo Maresca's system. It's not about Delap being good. Nkunku is better than Delap, but he doesn't fit into Enzo Maresca's system. That is another issue. So I'm very, very happy and I like it that way. Chelsea did the signing now. Yes, so that we have a tough competition to play. We have a competitive tournament to play. He is going to play. We shall see. If Delap will be okay for us, we shall see. If Chelsea should still go back to the market and sign a striker, we shall see again. And the money is not big as I said, 30 million. That means Chelsea will still go into the market and bring us that experienced striker. Because as I was saying, information said that Chelsea is going to sign 2 strikers this summer. So now Delap own is done. So the other striker can be Osimhen, can be Yorgris, can be Sesko. I know some people will not trust, but Charlie, anything can happen, guys. I'm telling you. The owners saw what happened this season. We need that experience in the squad. A lot will happen in this summer, guys. Chelsea signing Liam Delap as our striker. For me, I don't think he will be our last signing as a striker for Chelsea this summer. For me, I don't think so. That is why Chelsea approached the fee as low as 30 million and not signing Ekitike. I'm telling you that Chelsea wanted to sign Ekitike. Yes, Chelsea prefers signing Ekitike, yes, more than Delap, but because of the fee. So it is telling us that Chelsea, our owner, they still have plans, guys, to bring us another striker. And that striker could be that experienced striker. Because see, we are not saying this because we want Chelsea to sign Osimhen. I said one of my videos, or Isak or Victor Yorgris. We are saying this because of the team, because of Chelsea. We saw it this season. I'm telling you, we need that prolific clinical striker in our front line to give us the goals. I'm telling you. And see, you can't bring 30 million player and expect him to play like 100 million striker. It can't happen. Forget about that. You can't be doing same thing and expecting different results. If we keep on signing inexperienced player, they are going to be giving us inexperienced performance every day. Forget. So this signing also, I call it a risky signing because we don't know what will happen. 22 years old boy being our striker, we don't know what the future holds. But for me, I am wishing him all the best. He come and succeed. Next season, Delap score 20 plus goals for us. Next season, Delap score 30 goals plus for us. And as a team, if you have that striker who can give you 20 plus goals, 30 plus, that means you are winning the Premier League. You are winning the league. So guys, see, let's hope Delap come and perform. Let's hope Delap come and deliver. Let's support him to succeed. Yes, that is not the ideal signing some of us wanted. But now, he is just a player. He's one of us. What can we do? He is our player. Let's love him. Let's support him. Delap, come and succeed. Come and give me goals. Come and score goal for me. Come and bring a good, tough competition to Nicola Jackson. Yes. So, guys, that is the information for Liam Delap. Yes, he will do his medical soon. Chelsea will pay the 30 million. And then he will join Chelsea in the FIFA club tournament. He will play. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Liam Delap. Chelsea landed Liam Delap. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And let's come to McGill. In fact, McGill, our striker, guys, Ipswich Town want him on loan. Yes, as Delap is leaving, they want a replacement. So, information said that they want McGill as loan And last season, I can still remember they signed one of our players on loan. At the end, they signed him, Omar Hutchison. So I think the same way they want to do with McGill, to see whether McGill can also come and give them that good performance. So if we can want McGill on loan, guys, to replace their striker, yes, Liam Delap, who just recently joined Chelsea. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about if we can signing or want McGill on loan. Should Chelsea allow him to go? Because now Nkunku will be leaving. To be honest, Nkunku will leave. Jackson McGill as our striker. Because Kellyman, I don't think he can do it as of now. Maybe in the future. So 2 strikers. So if we can want McGill on loan, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Should Chelsea allow him to leave to develop more? And let's come to Jadon Sancho. When Chelsea was to play the final, information came that Chelsea and Jadon Sancho representatives are now in talks. And Chelsea would like him to stay if they can agree on terms. Chelsea would like Sancho to stay. Enzo Maresca liked Jadon Sancho. He want Jadon Sancho to stay. But as we all knew about Sancho wages, at least I think 250 and something. So they are talking about that wages, that contract terms. And Chelsea will pay 25 million if Chelsea will sign him to stay. But if Chelsea will let him go back, Chelsea will pay 5 million. So guys, that is the latest information for Jadon Sancho transfer. His representatives and Chelsea are in talks about his wages, his transfer terms. And Jadon Sancho, for me, I think the wages will be an issue for this, our owners. If he will accept to reduce the wages, I think they will let him stay. Yes, because Enzo Maresca like him. But guys, for you as a Chelsea fan, will you like Jadon Sancho to stay? Or should Chelsea send him back? And as I said, if Chelsea will send him back, Chelsea will pay 5 million plus. Or him staying, Chelsea will pay 25 million. Which is which? Or who are you? Where are you supporting now? Should Chelsea send him back? Or should Chelsea let Jadon Sancho stay? After scoring in the final UEFA Conference League final, guys. Let me hear from you under the comment section. All what we discussed in this video. Yes, Liam Delap joined Chelsea, McGill to Ipswich Town, and Jadon Sancho to stay or not to stay. And as I said, I gave you another video about, yes, Delap joining. Immediately I uploaded that video, this information came that Chelsea completed the signing. And I said a lot of things there. I analyzed a lot of things there about Victor Gyökeres or Osimhen coming to Chelsea. And so many information, yes. So please, that video is here. Click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.